Hi, I'm Brittany from WTI, and your life is not going to be the same after you get this Yacumama water thermometer. I personally do not use it for water, I use it for candle wax. And this thing has made such a big difference in the quality of my candles because it's very important to pay attention to the temperature of when you're adding color, the scents, at what point you should pour the wax into the containers. It's very crucial to pay attention to this thing. So that's why having a thermometer in there is super important. And it makes it easier for me to manage my time while I'm making my candles. There are definitely moments where you're going to have a little bit of downtime to wait. I can go get some other stuff done, swing by, check, see the temperature. Okay, it's getting close. I'm going to prepare everything to put the scent or put the color in. And once it hits there, you can pour it in. And you can actually use the thermometer to stir because it has a nice long metal piece here at the end. It does a very good job making sure you're getting the color and the scent fully blended into the wax. You can also use this for many other crafts. I know that when you're doing these crafts, temperature is super crucial to know when is the right time to implement these certain stages of these crafts to make sure that at the end you are getting a quality item, whether it's for yourself to sell or for a gift. It's hard to spend all that time trying to make something and it not look that good at the end. It is a very high quality. It's very accurate. I think you're going to love it, and that's my point of view.